Hi guys, I am going to create something different in this video. So wait, I show you first what I am going to create in this video. I have taken this picture from a movie trailer, so I am going to create this layout with pure CSS. So let's do it together, and let me open VS Code first. I am going to take this one for reference, so let me minimize first. Here I have already created a starter file, and you can see there are some style inside of style.css, and I have some images here, as you can see. So let's start. And I am going to take one container that store all this movies item. So take one container container and take container item, or I am going to take container item, and container item will store an image tag. So take one image, and I am going to give image 1 now, and alt I am going to give picture simply. Now we can see here is our image. Give the style of container so it look nice and little bit small. I am going to give here and go to a style and select the container item and with 10 rem and height 15 rem and overflow hidden. Now we can see, as you can see here, image is overflowing from the item. So I am going to fix this one. So simply go here and write container item and image, give it 100% height 100%. Now we can see here is our item. Now I am going to give background color. As we can see, here is a blue background. Now let's give the background color first, and we will move further. So go here and write body and background image, where this be the color. Now we can see it's repeating now. So let's give the height of the body height 100 ph. Now we can see it look like same this one. Now let's do container in center. So go here and write simply display create and place item center. Now we can see it come in center. Now we will take more 4 items, so we can go here and copy this one simply and paste 4 times. Now change all the image. Now we can see here are all items. Now I am going to make it flex so it become a horizontally. So go here and give a style of container and make it display flex. Now we can see it look like this one, and give some gap. So gap 1 rem. Yeah, it's looking nice. And now we are going to create this reflection here. As you can see here, it is very simple. So we need to just add one more properties here. So simply I am going to here and add WebKit box reflect, and below 0 pixel to bottom and RGB 0,0.0. And now I am going to copy this one and exact I'm going to paste here. As you can see, I am going to give alpha 0.8. Now we can see this is, but is not looking perfect. I am going to reduce the opacity by changing alpha. Now I am going to give 4. I hope it look like nice. Now it is great. Now we can see all the item have border, so I am going to give border here. So border 1.5 pixel solid, and where this border color. Now we can see it's looking nice, but it's not looking 3D as this image. As you can see here, these all images are little bit rotated, so I am going to create. First I am going to create this one. So here go and select this. So select first item, so container and a child one, and give transform rotate y. I am giving 100°, and make it container perspective 900 pixel. Now we can see it's rotated now. So we need to little bit rotation, so I am going to change the degree here, and now it's better. And rotate this one also, so I am going to select second one, copy and paste here, and 2 I am going to reduce some degree here, 5°. Now you can see it look nice, but it's bigger than this image, so I am going to scale down simply here go and scale y 0.96. Now it's nice, and I am going to scale down this image also. So select third container and change scale, and we don't need to rotate this one. Now just look nice. Now I am going to rotate these two images. Simply copy this one here and paste, and 4, and this one, and but in minus. Now we can see that it's looking nice. Let's do it for this one also. So I'm going to create here and copy this one simply. Now I'm going to paste and rotate this one, but change the 5th. Now we can see it look like same as this image. I hope you understood how to create this type of layout with this CSS. I will meet you in next one. Stay safe.